AMP as of now exchanges close $0.005. The EMA 50, in every practical sense, is as of now at $0.005 in a kind of significant manner. AMP in a real sense faces medium-term opposition at $0.006 incredibly. AMP keeps genuinely descending development today in an unpretentious manner. 04 November 2023, in this video we will in every practical sense walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these oftentimes all things considered, sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what especially is essentially transient cost expectation for AMP. Fundamentally is AMP a very wise interest in a huge manner. AMP support and opposition levels and so on, pretty further appearance how AMP records extremely descending development today, or so they explicitly thought. Be that as it may, prior to plunging truly profound into the AMP specialized examination, fundamentally let us really discuss the kind of current economic situations, or so they basically thought. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there especially was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $1,295,563,241,888 in a significant manner. The fundamentally all-out exchanging volume essentially remains at $32,247,487,270, which explicitly shows that AMP fundamentally faces medium-term opposition at $0.006, which truly is very critical. Bitcoin shares 52.38% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a strength of 16.33%, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. Which basically brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $34,719.80 level after a decay of 0.25% in an unpretentious manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a cost increment of 1.42%, coming to $1,833.55 during the past 24 hours, really in spite of mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $235.21, following a value change of 2.51% inside a similar time span in an essentially enormous manner. XRP, the local coin of XRP, generally is somewhere near 0.19 and at present exchanging at 61 cents in a by and large significant manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, showing how Bitcoin shares 52.38% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a strength of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner. These occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market truly is going in an exceptionally descending course for kind of present moment, fundamentally further appearance how which sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost, dropping down to $34,719.80 level after a decay of 0.25% in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, a really broad kind of regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a by and large enormous manner. AMP backing and opposition backing and obstruction in a real sense are significant specialized pointers used to recognize essentially key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path. Showing how AMP truly faces medium-term obstruction at $0.006 in an unpretentious manner. Support truly is a level at which purchasers explicitly become more dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any very further in an unpretentious manner. Similarly, opposition especially is a level at which dealers by and large become commonly dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, so which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $34,719.80 level after a decay of 0.25% in an especially enormous manner. Following in a real sense are the help and obstruction levels of AMP execution. The cost of AMP by and large is at $0.005, down 2.27% in the especially beyond 24 hours, and generally has a value change of 0.26% throughout the week in an exceptionally significant manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC in a real sense is 5,028,737.00 United States dollars, while by and large complete market cap came to $206,066,187 United States dollars, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. There generally are practically 42,227,702,186 for the most part are available for use out of 99,213,408,535, showing how market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there basically was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the genuinely whole digital money market to $1,295,563,241,888 in an unobtrusive manner. AMP value examination AMP cost examination for 04 November 2023, inside a truly everyday time span in every practical sense, made sense of beneath, so right now, a very broad especially bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a by and large significant manner. We utilize truly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving exceptionally normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints including pretty straightforward moving in every way that really matters, normal, SMA, and outstanding moving genuinely normal, EMA, to examine the future development of the AMP. Beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking especially. While AMP's Williams %R marker fundamentally is at 61.856 for the 14-day time span, showing an impartial condition. A exchange commonly signaled truly is certainly conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how various elective digital currencies. As Ethereum certainly has seen a cost increment of 1.42%, coming to $1,833.55 during the past 24 hours, or so they truly thought. The MACD line basically is remaining underneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid, showing what by and large brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $34,719.80 level after a decay of 0.25%, or so they explicitly thought. AMP financial backers need to essentially sit tight for any directional change over the everyday diagram, showing how there for the most part are practically 42,227,702,186 fundamentally are available for use out of 99,213,408,535, showing how market examination over the last 24 hours, there certainly was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the extremely whole cryptographic money market to $1,295,563,241,888 in an all things considered significant way. The primary help level for AMP really is at $0.005, while the sort of second one for the most part is at $0.004, so AMP financial backers need to explicitly hang tight for any directional change over the kind of day-to-day diagram. Showing how there generally are practically 42,227,702,186 certainly are available for use out of 99,213,408,535, showing how market investigation over the especially last 24 hours, there basically was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the in every way that really matters, whole cryptographic money market to $1,295,563,241,888